Welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. Today we're testing out, Wayne Goss just dropped a new video about how to fix screwed up eye makeup using RCMA Color Process Foundation, and we're using Limelife, which is exactly the same thing. So check it out. We're gonna test his theory. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Melanie and I like makeup. I'm not a beauty guide or guru or anything. I just happen to like makeup, and sometimes I make videos. I put out probably 2 a week, one about Limelife products and one about makeup or DIY or something fun. So subscribe to my channel right now for more fun videos, and let's test out Wayne Goss's technique. That's why my eyeshadow looks this way. Okay, it's a mess. And it is too far gone to just buff or blend it out. It is too bad. It's just gone. Okay, so let's watch what Wayne says.
This is too severe to say, so we want to change that. So you're going to take your skin tone. Now you're going to need a triangular sponge, and you're going to need a cream foundation. I use RCMA. It's a big palette. You can buy the singles. The reason you use a cream foundation like this and not a liquid is because liquids stay wet. These are dry. So dip your sponge into your color. I'm using Gina Beige, which is my skin color. Now you're going to see the magic happen.
All right, so he says you use a little triangle sponge. I have both a little damp one here and a dry one here that I just used. We're gonna try both and see what happens. Okay, because he doesn't specify. All right, so it's a fucking mess. Okay, so I swear. Let's clean this up. All right, so I have RCMA Color Process Foundation, otherwise known as Limelife Foundation. This one is the paraben-free, but they also used to have the one that is exactly the same as the RCMA. This one's the same, but without the paraben. All right, so let's check it out. It's a perfect cream-based foundation. It is my color, which is Olive 2, and sometimes I use Shinto 2. I can't ever decide if I'm cool or warm tone. Okay, so sponge, tiniest bit here. And he really did like the tiniest bit, okay? So then we're going to just keep going. He says using your own color to fix it is the best way. Now I've used concealer before, but I've never actually used the foundation. I mean, I use concealer almost all the time. Now you can see it kind of a mess here. Now see how this is so far out, and really I want it only up to the eyebrow, so I want it all this part gone. So we're gonna go in with a little bit more, and we're just gonna blend. Tap in and up, just like he does. Oh, that's pretty nice. What do you think about that? Damn, Wayne. All right, let's try it on the other side. See, this way too far out. I just want to keep it up in this area. So let's go in. I got a little pink, so which isn't bad. I'll buff it back in. But let's just put some more on here, just a tiny little bit. Let's see. There we go. I think there's a little more than a little bit, but let's just. Right, so this triangle sponge is definitely the way to go, not a beauty blender, because that gives some pretty precise control. Look at that. All right, I think I'm going to go right underneath with this too, and try and maybe try this one. Just try. I like the thin part worked much better under the eye. Not bad. I'm gonna go in this little corner. So what do you think? Was Wayne right? Did it fix it? I kind of think it fixed it more than anything else I did. Okay, maybe a little more blending is in order, but check it out. All right. Thanks for watching. Wayne Goss's technique worked perfectly for me. Bye-bye. Oh my God, I want to show you one more thing. Hold on. All right, so if you follow Limelife products at all and are long awaiting the Danessa palette, I got a dupe for you that is really similar, or at least it's like the same general feel, and I just have to show it to you because I'm going to apply one of the colors to my eye right now. Okay. Run to Ulta. If you still have a 20% off coupon, grab your 20% off coupon, and you're gonna get this Nubian 2 for $16. And look at these shades. Holy shit. I'm gonna have a video coming out how they're dupes of Danessa, but this one right here, look. Okay, so that's what we're gonna put on. And oh wait, this one's like that gold one in Danessa's. Oh God, look at this. Right. Watch this. You just die for that color. Is it just to die for? I mean, for the fall, go get Nubian 2. You're gonna Juvia's Place. Oh my gosh.